case anybody was wondering, baby steps. Hard on an old fat man that used to be outside. You hold this thing on, 3 seconds. Looks like it works to me. 413 Hazer. Now I've got to raise the tower up, build the beam, hook the helix up. Not even close to being done, but we got to start. For anybody want to see one work, there you go. And you can see my tower, the way it's sitting, it's still bold. So it ain't even had no trouble going up and down it. It'd be better when it's straight up and down. Just want to test it, make sure I had it working. There you go, guys. Alrighty, catch you later.